Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 10th, assignment number 10. In that first question, all the magnetic fields lines closed, give the reason. Yes, all the field lines are closed. The field lines from outside the bar magnet from north pole to south pole, and from inside the bar magnet field lines are from south to north. So the field lines are closed. Field lines are closed one. Next question. The direction of current flowing in a coil is shown in the figure. What type of magnetic pole is formed at the face has flow of current as shown in the figure? See, the figure is given. In this figure, if you draw N letter in it, you draw N letter and end terminals you give the arrowhead, then that indicates anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, so that face of the coil acts as north pole. Next question. Current carrying straight conductor produces magnetic field. What are the precautions need to take while doing this activity? Yes, while doing magnetic field and electricity activities, you need to check whether the magnetic materials such as iron objects are there around the table, activity table, that you ensure that there is no such type of magnetic materials surrounded by the table. That is one precaution. Next one is the wires. All the connected wires, copper wires connected to the circuit should not touch any metal object in that activity table, or that is retard stand especially. Next one, along the straight conductor, now we are doing activity with the straight conductor. Along the straight conductor, ensure that there is no kinks along that length of that copper wire. So these are the precautions required to do this activity. Next question. Explain the direction of magnetic field due to circular coil produced. Circular coil. First you take the cardboard, make the holes, parallel holes by making leaving some gap between them, and insert a long insulated copper wire through that holes, and the end terminals are connected to the battery. Now place a compass needle on that cardboard. Inside cardboard free space is there, no, inside the coil. In that you place the compass needle. Then the compass needle aligns such that the magnetic field produced by the coil along that direction the compass needle will aligns. So you follow the arrowhead, and put a dot at the arrowhead. Now move the compass needle through that coil and you will get one more dot at here, and you follow same like that at the arrowhead, you put the dots, then you will get a magnetic field line. Then what is the direction? The arrowhead, the needle direction in the compass gives the magnetic field direction. If the current passing through the coil is like this, then the field is along this direction. So this the face of the coil acts as north pole, and this side face acts as a south pole. Each and every turn, one side south pole, the other side is north pole. Like that, the curved conductor produces magnetic field which is perpendicular to the face of the coil. If these are the curved lines, then two faces, this face acts as south pole, this face acts as north pole. If it is clockwise, if it is anti-clockwise, just interchange the terminals. Anti-clockwise, in that case this face of the coil acts as a north pole, that is anti-clockwise direction north pole, then that side acts as a south pole. Like this, the magnetic field produced by the curved conductor or coil produces perpendicular to the face of the coil. Okay, next question. Okay, with that assignment 2 is completed. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.